So we'll be talking about using an electric motor pedal. Now this is used for mostly manual machines. If you have an electric machine, you will not be needing this pedal to work. But if you have a manual machine and you need a form of assistance while you're doing this, so you cannot be using the manual pedal that comes with your machine, you'll be needing this tutorial. So this is the first one we have. Okay, this is like the main motor we have. Okay, it's the motor. You can see how this part looks like. So this is the part that will attach to the machine. You can see the various parts it has on this. All right, it has different parts that we are going to use to attach to our machine. All right, and for this we also have like a knot. Okay, we have this knot that helps us to attach. We have this knot that helps us to attach the motor head to the machine. Okay, in our machines, both in the industrial machines and our manual machines, we have a rope that links from the head of the machine down to the part where we have our pedal for ease of operation. So the next one I'm going to show is this one. This is the pedal. Okay, unlike the manual machine that has the big pedal, this is how it comes like. Okay, so if you have an electric machine, you will notice that an industrial machine, sorry, you will notice that it's similar to what we have here. Okay, even for most of our tabletop machines, some of them use something like this for use. So for the manual machine, if you're using it and you want something of ease, you also need this. So this is the pedal. This is the place where the foot sits on, the heel of your foot sits on in order to operate. And because this is an electric motor, it needs electricity. Okay, it needs electricity. So when you have your lights and you don't want to use the manual pedal, you can go ahead, attach this and use it for ease. Okay, like for myself, I enjoy using this when I'm sewing gathers, for example. When I'm making gathers, it makes my work easier, it makes it faster. If you make use of the industrial machine, you know it's actually easier to use. You don't feel pains around your legs while you're using that. Okay, so that's the essence of this for some of us that make use of a manual machine. And if you watch this video to the end, ensure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up after watching, and let me know in the comment section what you think about using an electric motor pedal, especially for some of us that use the manual machines. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.